Now we are going to learn about one important thing in Android layouts, and not only layout but using the widgets also, view components also. So let me remove this and create one more activity here. Okay, we are going to learn about include now, how other layouts can be included into one layout. Okay, so including provides you reusability for the different kind of widgets or custom layouts. So for example, if you are creating one layout of user details, so reusing that layout into any other page can be more helpful to create only some amount of code and reuse it into multiple times. Okay, so I will just write layout underscore profile. Okay, layout underscore profile. Now what I will do is I will go to the code, I will write linear layout, okay, and orientation I will give vertical. Now I will try to write one image view into this. So I will write image view, width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, and src, that is the source for image view, which file you want to show. So I will use mipmap launcher. Okay, so instead of mipmap launcher, let's use launcher foreground. Okay, and here I will use text view, width will be match parent, height will be wrap content. Okay, and the text here will be employee name. Gravity will be center, and normal gravity will also be center. Text size will be 20 sp. Text color will be I will try to more darken the gray color, which is this. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Okay, this is my layout, right? Now for this height I will write wrap content. So the entire height of my layout will be this, and I will write padding here, padding 10 dp. Okay, so inside this layout I have size inside margin, that means padding from inside the view 10 dp I have given. Okay, I can give it to 20 dp also. See, you can see this outside space from this view inside this layout, right? So this is my profile layout. Now here you can put your image, and here you can write your name also. Okay, now I want to include this layout into my main page. So what I will do, I will write include, and into include I will write layout, and here I need to specify that layout. So I have specified layout underscore profile, and you can see that layout is here. See, into this main activity main layout you don't have any image view or text view, but here you can see why, because you have included that layout here. Okay, so by default the components of those layout will come into this parent layout. Whenever we are rendering this program, or whenever this layout is being rendered, these components of this include, they will come here, they will be replaced here. Okay, so this layout will be considered as one layout only. Okay, so this is how you can use include, and also you can take the reference of those things here in your activity. Okay, it is possible. It is you, for example, so let's try to do this. Let's try to assign some code. So I will go to this layout, and here to the name, to the text view of this name, I will write some ID, and this ID will be TV name. Okay, now what I will do is, we will assign some text to the text view which we have imported, where this layout, it has text view TV name which is included into activity main, and we are rendering that activity into main activity, right, main activity class. Now I want to set some text to that text view, so I will write TV equal to find view by ID r.id dot TV name. Okay, and TV dot set text, and I will write PQR ABC. Okay, now let's try to run this application. And the application has started, and let's see how it looks. So PQR ABC you can see, right? So even if you include the layout, you can directly set some value using activity into this section. Okay, now you can change the sizes of your include layout. For example, if this is not wrap content, and let me add some background so that you can see the differentiation between the background colors of the layout. Let me do this. Okay, so in activity main, if you see, it is entirely occupying the screen, right? See, I'll just darken the color. Okay, now you see it is entirely occupying the screen, but you can assign sizes to this. For example, if you write height 120 dp and width match parent, see, and let me add some gravity to top. Okay, this gravity is centered, that is why it is not taking it. Okay, now gravity is top. Now as you can see, I have top gravity, but I cannot see the text view here, right? So let me just increase the height because the text view is getting cropped. Okay, now you can see, you can use this layout. Now if you want to use this layout anywhere, you can use it anywhere on any screen using include. You can use it, right? But remember, if you want to show a list of employees, don't use include. You should use recycler view or list view only. Okay, showing multiple options, you should always show list view or recycler view. This include is just for reusability. Okay, in case if you want to use some heavy layout, for example, if the code of this layout is so heavy, right, instead of writing that, if you copy it here, your layout code becomes bigger, right? Your layout will have more code. So if you want to segregate that code, or you want to differentiate that code, okay, then we use include. a lot of people will use multiple parts for the main layout and then they include it. For example, header part will be included using other layout, content part will be included using other layout, bottom foot bar will be included using other layouts. So such kind of things normally they use in real-time projects. Okay, sometimes the components inside these are also included. So for example, if in your company, if CEO wants to if the profile is for CEO, then the data will be different type of data. If the profile is for manager, if then the data will be shown in different manner or different UI. If the person is employee, then this data or this UI will be different type of UI. So this is how include is used. Okay, but one thing you cannot do is you cannot use multiple includes with same IDs for these layouts. Why? Because whenever this layout is rendering, it is basically copy pasting all the elements of this included layout here itself. It is replacing this tag. Okay, then if it replaces this tag, then both these include layouts will have same code, because if you provide same IDs to the two components in one layout, then it will be an error, it will not run. So that is why whenever you are including something, try to keep different IDs for each element. So this is how include will be used.